Hey Spirit Boosters, how you doing? I'm back. Well, I did send YouTube employees a message. I hit that feedback thing. I don't know if it's another way. But all I know is I had to let them know that somebody is discriminating against my channel, because why all of a sudden my subscribers cannot easily find my channel, and it's like they demoted my channel, put me in a lower rank, a lower class, whatever, which is ridiculous. I have good content, in my opinion, and my subscribers thought so also. But I know who my friends are. People that support me on the regular. If they come, they come. If they don't, they don't. Other than that, I am keeping a record of my life. What's going on in my life. Hey, Susie. I'm going to pick up that package tomorrow. Hopefully that's the package at the P.O. box that I'm going to get. And then I'll make a video sharing it on, in the video. Thank you again, once again, Susie. And I just put up a video on my gardening channel. I harvest a tomato. Beautiful tomato. Sliced it open. It's pretty good. Tasted good and everything. So I have a whole bunch more on the vine. I'm waiting for those to ripen. If you're interested in my gardening adventures, my gardening episodes, if you want to call it that, then go check out my gardening channel. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe over there. And I also have a crafting channel. I am going to be making a video real soon on that. Hopefully it's something to do with my reindeer story. If y'all interested in any of that stuff, check out my crafting channel. And today, I just want to know, did any of you guys watch the hearing yesterday? I know I did. Benny, the lead guy, has COVID, so he wasn't there, but he had his message up there, a recorded message. It was pretty good. They had a lot of evidence, mostly Republicans, talking about what Trump did and didn't do. They showed that the guy waving at the people in the crowd that were before they start the insurrection, and then they showed the guy leaving, running, getting the hell up out of there. I forgot his name, but if y'all watch, y'all know what I'm talking about. But they had a lot of stuff that proved that Trump was not trying to save the Capitol or the people, or some of the people in it. It was a hot mess, and if nobody is going to be held accountable, I guess you can do whatever you want to do in this world. Yep. Some people, at least, I heard on the news earlier, this woman was saying that, they weren't going to shoot those people. And first thought came in my mind and said, they would have shot them all if they were black. Can I get a hey, man? They ain't got no problem shooting black people. Since they were white people, now white people, I ain't even gonna go through the rigmarole or try to explain or any of that stuff. Everybody got some sense, or you should have some kind of sense to know better, right from wrong. When you see wrong, you know wrong was wrong. But believe me, if it was black folks trying to invade the Capitol and tear up stuff, force their way up on police officers, they wouldn't have hesitated to shoot and kill a bunch of black folks. But since, white is a privilege, a lot of white folks, y'all already know that. If y'all don't use it, hey, that's up to y'all. But yeah, the hearing was something else. If y'all watched it, say so in the comments. Eventually, I don't know. I'm going to go in a different avenue on my channel instead of doing a bunch of. Uh, I still have groceries and stuff because I'm buying my fresh zucchini. Right today, I'm about to go in there and spiralize it. Some zucchini up. And I had broiled a couple of hens the other day. That broiled meat and rotisserie meat, and even on the wood grill, if you burn wood and stuff, cook your meat, it has better flavor than just baking it in the oven. I promise you. I'm sure a lot of y'all know that. It was so good. I was saying, hey, I shouldn't be eating this because it tastes too good. Because, you know, anything tastes good, you're going to put weight on. But I'm still losing weight. I'm still getting better. Feeling better. As long as I'm not eating salt or bread. Because, you know, y'all know I'm allergic to stuff in the bread or whatever I'm allergic to the bread. Because my skin is healing up. I'm having a wonderful time with the new diet, which I already been down this road several times. And now they stretched my skin out to death. I don't know how well it's going to cooperate, but hey, that's why some big people don't want to lose weight, because they're afraid of all the loose skin. I don't know how much it costs to get your loose skin cut off, but hey, I'm sure you got to go through a few things. But yeah, that's the reason some folks don't want to lose weight. But other than that, I know it's not a good thing. But I had my run of it, and I wasn't forcing nobody to eat or not eat. And I'm not doing that today. Do what y'all do. I'm doing what I do. I'm over here minding my own business, running my mouth with things I want to run it about. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, I sent a message to YouTube telling them, I said, one of y'all employees who's ever in charge of my channel is not treating my channel fairly. I feel like I'm being discriminated against because I can't do good and then start doing. And what happened to my, well, I don't know why folks, okay, all I can say is when I talk about race, I guess some white folks, I don't know if it, maybe black folks, I don't know if they don't want to be over here because they think, hey, if y'all let me tell y'all right now, if y'all think that y'all channel gonna be affected by your association with me, then kiss Miss JENITA goodbye, unsubscribe, and go on about your business. But just let me know so I can do the same. If you unsubscribe to me, I'm unsubscribing you. But if I don't see you on my channel in a long time, I know it's goodbye. Okay? Because I know some of the things I say, y'all think I'm doing. I don't know what y'all think, really. I don't know what y'all think. I just know what I'm doing, and I approve of what I'm doing because I'm standing up for myself. Like Monique stood up for herself when Netflix discriminated against her. I'm standing up for myself too. And if they ever do a class act lawsuit against some stuff like this, yes, I'm joining, because I feel like somebody is treating me bad, is in charge of this channel, and is in control. I don't know what race they are, but whoever they are, they had a problem with me for what? Because I talked about, I guess, since I ever mentioned Trump, things changed on my channel. Somebody, whoever is somebody who liked Trump, I believe it's somebody who liked Trump, is discriminating against my channel. When I said I didn't like Trump, and that's when I started noticing my channel started, being things started going down. Soon as, if you say Trump now, you don't like Trump, all this stuff go to hell. So whoever, I got some Trump supporter in charge of my channel. Here, listen, Trump supporter, you may be in control of it right now, but whatever comes around goes around. You keep on doing what you're doing. Believe me, I am a child of God. And when you do something to me, believe me, God don't like ugly. You best to leave me alone. Leave me alone. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. That's all I got to say. Praise God. I know I'm covered in the blood and protected every day. And you just keep on doing what you're doing. I know it's a Trump supporter because like I say, as soon as I mention that name, I notice things change drastically on my channel. And for all of you, like I said, if y'all don't want to have nothing to do with my channel, because y'all see, if it was a lie, y'all wouldn't be doing what y'all do, leaving my channel and don't come and visit, and don't, like when I asked you for some assistance, nobody come and say, oh, Miss Jenny, I did this for you, and then, you know, this is the message I got back. Ain't nobody helping me. I got to do all this by myself. But that's all right. All y'all strangers to me, and I'm a stranger to you. I can't trust no one. Well, now some people I think I believe I could trust. It is good people on here, people that know right from wrong, and they know how different races are treated differently. Ain't nobody stupid. All other different races, they can have their attitude or belief, whatever they want. But when you get treated differently, you going to know what it feel like. Put yourself in the other races' shoes and sit and live a day in that lifestyle and see if you like it. See if you ain't going to give your opinion on how you feel about the subject. Like, you can't talk about white people and then all this happening. Or it may be not the fact that I'm talking about racist white people. Racist white people. I didn't say all white people. I could say that it's racist, blacks, Mexicans, Koreans, racist, everybody. But the person in charge of my channel, I believe, is a Trump supporter, and they can't deny it. But like I said, I'm walking by faith, not by sight. I don't have no strikes on my channel. I ain't did nothing wrong. So all you doing on my channel is to satisfy you and your self-pity on how you feeling about yourself, because I talked about your leader that probably, allegedly, might be in jail, prison real soon. Now take that to the bank and cash the check. What you gonna do to my channel today? Everybody see on the news what's going on with Trump. Nobody is supposed to be above the law. Now you can follow that man wherever you want, because somebody gonna get you. You gonna get yours for messing with folks' channels, that because you feel some kind of way about your leader. You gonna get yours, whoever you are, male, female, whoever you are. I hope that they get this message and somebody can read that message I sent, if I got to send a message every day. And they gonna reevaluate my channel. If not, maybe I'll, I don't know how many people is a Trump supporter. We just gotta take our chances, y'all. But like I said, if y'all feel some kind of way coming over here, y'all think y'all channel gonna be affected, which I doubt it. If y'all don't say Trump, man. But Trump might be allegedly going to jail, because yesterday's hearings was a juicy one, and he did not try to save this country from the terrorists that was at the Capitol that day, talking about murdering people and stuff. Even they said the Secret Service was scared and everything. It was more serious than what we all know. They giving us little information, bits and pieces, but it's probably so much horrific, terrifying, disturbing stuff that went down that we don't know, that they not really sharing everything, but they giving us a piece of this and look at this and look at that, and then you get disturbed. Hey, it's some sin. Then the text messages missing from the Secret Service. They deleted text messages and stuff. What kind of country are we living in? Some folks, like I say, that privilege. But y'all, I'm going to get out here. But if y'all seen the hearings, let me know. If you checked it out. I know Shirley was asking me. Shirley, yeah, I know you watched. How you felt about it, let me know. But other than that, like I say, I'm going to try and do my crafting video. I just came out the bathroom. I had to sit down and scrub the toilet. Sit down and do basically everything. I'm feeling a little tired, but I'm still going to come on here and tell my goings-ons and what's happening. Ain't no food shortages going on here like they still doing in the prepper world. The prepper world is strange as heck. They swear up and down the food ran out 3 months ago. And people, I can't believe I was caught up in and all that. But when I was reporting, the stuff that I was reporting on was, well, the story when I was actually saying stuff was missing, it was actually really missing. But now that ain't happening no more. But I still see folks still carrying on by you better get this and you better get that, and then they getting all these views from these people that are probably panicking and spending all their hard-earned money on getting all this food that's probably gonna spoil because if you don't know how to store it and preserve it, whatever. Now I'm trying to get rid of some of this shit. I'm telling y'all, I got so much stuff. My daughter, she gonna take a bunch of the Christmas stuff to the Goodwill, whatever. I'm throwing it in the trash because I don't plan on doing too much of that anymore. A lot of this decorate, all that stuff, I'm tired. Ain't no more nick, ain't no more knack, ain't no more getting this and that, because it ain't nothing but work and cleaning to do. And the older I'm getting, the less I want to do it. Like dusting this and dusting that. Every day you need to probably dust, because dirt come through here. Oh my God. I need to move. I can't wait to go out of, I don't know, I'll probably leave California and go somewhere else. California is too expensive, and I'm still Governor Newsom waiting on my check. I don't know why we got to wait till October to get the check, and then by the end of the month, it might be a mask mandate reinstated. The president got COVID, and Benny got the COVID. I ain't trying to get the COVID. They had all their shots, but they still got sick anyway. So, they didn't get, when you have the shots, they say you don't get as sick. But hey, hope they all do better and get well soon. But I hope y'all stay in survival mode. Take care of yourself. If you do want to help out me and send messages to YouTube and let them know why y'all demoted Miss JENITA channel, why y'all messing with Miss JENITA, is it because she mentioned Trump? I don't know Trump. I ain't got nothing to do with Trump. Trump is in trouble. I didn't do it. Trump did it. Why are you punishing me? I believe it. That's what you're doing, but that's okay. You keep on doing what you're doing. Like I said, I'm covered in the blood. I am a child of God. And yes, I will be taken. I will be taken care of. I will still be blessed. So many blessings. So many blessings. Thank you for my eyesight, my limbs, my ears, my taste buds, my nose, my breathing, everything else that's healthy in my body. Thank you. I might be losing a bunch of teeth, but the ones I got left, I can eat with those. And thank you for the medicines. Thank you for the doctors. Thank you, Lord, for all the good things, all these blessings. All these blessings, all these blessings. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And on that note, I'm out. Y'all have a good day, and thank you for watching and hanging in there with Miss JENITA. You got any goings-ons and what's happening you want to share? Don't forget to check out my other 2 channels, Gardening and Crafting. If you want to know what I'm doing over there, I dang near shared something over there, and I said, what for? You want to know what's going on in gardening? Y'all go to my gardening channel, okay? I'm loving it over there. Hope they don't come messing with me nowhere else. But ain't no telling, because I did tell y'all I'm tired of all the unsubscribing, and when I deleted comments, all that stuff. I'm sure y'all experience it too. Okay, y'all have a good day and stay in survival mode.